God bless you everyone, and happy new year 2021. I hope all of you being safe. I hope all of you are doing well, and your family and everybody is doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to install a Strut bar in 3 minutes. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to need is a Strut bar, and you're going to need a card. Today we're going to be working with my 95 Henry, and of course you're going to need some tools. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to do is pop the hood. After opening the hood, you're going to find the strut towers, and we got one here and we have the other one right here. So with the car on the ground, you're going to remove the bolts. In this case I got 3. Some other cars may have 4, some other one may have 2. This one got 3. After removing the 3 bolts, you can mount the strut bar on that side. After putting the strut bar, you can put the bolts, but don't tie them all the way in yet. Now let's loose the other side. Right, remove these 3 bolts just like the other side. Now with the 3 bolts removed, you can actually mount the other side. Now with this side installed, you can actually mount the bolts back. So now with the bolts back, you can actually make sure that your bar is aligning. If not, you can actually work with the adjustment over here just to make sure that you like the way it is. Or you can mess with the adjustment over here to make sure that you like it. So if it is on the desired place, you can go ahead and tie everything. After tightening all the bolts on each strut tower, make sure that your alignment bolts are actually tight. And after tightening those, you are done. And that's how you install an open strut tower on any car. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. That's how you install an open strut bar on any car. It's just as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and you have a nice one. God bless you all, and have a nice day.